To check your transaction history on Gmail, you can easily access it through your Google account. Follow these steps to find the information you need. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to log into your Google account associated with your Gmail. Step 2. Access Google Pay. Once signed in, navigate to Google Pay by typing Pay Google, in the address bar. This is where you can view your transaction history linked to your Gmail account. Step 3. Locate transaction history. In Google Pay, look for the Activity or Transactions section. Click on it to view a detailed list of all your transactions, including payments and purchases made through your Gmail. Step 4. Filter transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filtering options available. You can filter by date, transaction type, or amount to find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Review transaction details. Click on any transaction to see more details. This will provide you with information such as the date, amount, recipient, and any associated notes or receipts. Now you can easily access and review your transaction history through Gmail. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore Google's help resources.